Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the best out of your Meter Bluetooth thermometer. So I'm a big fan of Meter and I've been doing a lot of work with them and I'm really impressed. It's a great bit of kit to monitor your temperatures of your cooks and your barbecues as you go. This is the Meter Plus, so you get a meter probe with it, and the probe talks to the base unit here, and then that sends a Bluetooth message that you can pick up on your remote device. So I thought I'd give you a few tips on how to use and get the best out of your meter, and it's just some simple things that will help you improve the way you cook with it. One of the first things that people don't get right is that there's a mark on here about halfway along. You need to make sure that is fully into your meat and even past that mark. So the electronics of the meter are in this portion, and there's a thermometer in here and on the end here, and you need to make sure that that is past that line. So you also need to look at your meat and the size of it. So we need to make sure this goes right into the middle of the joint and it's past that mark there. So that's in enough. You want to make sure it's not touching the bone or any of the fatty ends or there. So that is a good way to go in from the side there, and that will be right in the middle there. Okay, so I can see that the probe is talking to the base unit because there's a green flashing light there. So I know that that's connected to here. So all I need to do now is to connect up to my device. So on here, you can see there's the Meter Plus. You just press to connect and it gives you option to set up a cook. We're going to go for beef here, and we're going to go for sirloin. I like medium rare, so I'm going to select that one. 57 degrees C, start cook. Once this goes onto the barbecue, it'll give me estimated time for cooking, and it'll give me a temperature for the barbecue. The current time the meat is 4 degrees. Okay, so the Meter app is saying that we're almost ready. There's just a couple of minutes to go to take off the heat, and so I'm just going to give it a quick blast direct on the coals just to give it a nice sear. So the apps work really well, meters work really well. You can see that it's monitored the temperatures and the temperature of the steak as it's gone up, and monitored the temperature of the cook. It's a good way to monitor, and we know that this steak's just about ready. Oh, there we go. It says it's almost ready, so I'm just going to give it a good sear. So the meter's done a great job on this steak. It's absolutely beautiful, really enjoying this. Nicely cooked, nice and tender and juicy still. Cooked just how I like it. So great job on the meter. It's a cracking bit of kit. If you want to know any more about it, then just get in touch with me. Happy to talk about these. I've been doing a lot of work with them and I'm excited to be a part of what they're doing. It's great. And it's encouraging people to cook better barbecue, which is a good thing. And if you like what I'm doing here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, box down there, subscribe, let me know. Have you tried a thermometer like this? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, catch you later. Cheers.